Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best gardening ideas for schools. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with raised bed gardens. If you want to establish a school garden quickly, consider raised bed gardens. These are suitable for schools since they can easily be managed and put up to a height that can be easily reached by the learners. It involves establishing a raised structure in the garden to increase water drainage. Additionally, quality soil can be added to the beds. They are good for organized gardening practices and can be used to plant all sorts of vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Container gardens. This system of gardening is ideal where there is little space or the soil in school is poor for planting. Plants can be grown in pots, barrels, or any other items you may have, such as discarded cans and drums. This procedure is somewhat flexible, and one can change the position of the plants in a move in search of light. Container gardening can be used to grow herbs, small vegetables, and flowers, among other plants. It also serves as a great teaching tool where students learn about different species of plants and what they need to grow healthily. Vertical gardens. The utilization of vertical gardens is an ideal solution for schools with small ground space. Through the application of walls, fences, or trellises, you can vertically allocate the plants and therefore use the little space available fully. This is a visually appealing method and especially transforms an empty wall into an area that depicts beauty through the greenness of plants. You can develop different vegetables and herbs and flowering plants that are climbers, such as beans and peas, or grow flowers on vertical structures. They also increase the growing area as well as add fun, thus motivating students into gardening. Which is the best? Raised bed gardens are ideal in schools because they are easy to manage and can be used in various ways. They help in providing an organized system of gardening to make it easier for students and teachers. They can also support various plants, which makes them suitable for any school willing to start a garden. Thanks for watching.